Morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from Hotel Management Department. Today we are discussing about the organization chart of food and beverage service industry. If we talk about small hotel, in small hotel journal manager, and in under journal manager work F&B manager and front office manager. And if we talk about F&B manager work head chef and restaurant manager, and in front office manager work under head receptionist and housekeeper. If we talk about large hotel, in large hotel headed by the general manager, and his work under F&B manager, personal manager, control officer, and marketing assistant and front house management. And if we talk about F&B managers work these designation: head chef, restaurant manager, floor service manager, banquet manager, and storekeeper. If we talk about the hierarchy of F&B service department, the F&B manager is the head of overall all the departments, and under work him restaurant manager. Restaurant managers manage all the restaurant activity which is related to planning, controlling, and organizing. If we are and under work the supervisor, then his work under head waiters, and then work under station waiter, and then work under waiters or server, then his under waiter a carrier, and under waiter floor service staff and lounge staff, and then his work under bartenders and buffet assistant, cashier, and table cleaner. Then if we talk about the job description means to describe the job. If we talk about F&B managers, these are the F&B managers responsibility: ensure the required profit margin are achieved in each financial period, update the complaining a new wine list, and controlling the follow of purchasing and marketing criteria of menu, and maintaining the required staff training and promotions, employing and dismissing the staff, holding the regular meeting with section heads, and ensure all the area are working effectively, weekly and monthly staff briefing, or checking the staff is in proper grooming or not. If we talk about the duties and responsibility of restaurant manager or supervisor, he is responsible for restaurant service area, maintaining the standard service procedure, organize the staff training, responsible for making the duty roster and holiday list and working hour, and control the operational duties. If we talk about the head waiters, the or maitre the hotel, in charge of all the staff, ensuring the preparations of restaurant service and efficient operations, and bring all the section staffs, and in Beijing time help the station staff, regular reports to the restaurant managers, and checking the purchasing for operations. If we talk about the station waiter or chef de range, overall responsibility of the service and taking the order from the customer, carrying out the services, and checking the table settings is proper or not, preparations of all the side tables, and sound the knowledge of the menu and wine list what are available in your restaurant. And if we talk about the waiter, server, or commis de range, the work of that person is instructed from the chef de range: table setting, taking order, clearing the table. And we talk about carrier, the responsibility of carrying staff is to floor service staff, and chef de sale responsible of food and beverage service procedures and lounge. If we talk about the bartender, responsible to control all kinds of beverage serving during the operations, and sound knowledge and beverage its service in charge of wine list. So thank you so much, thank you to all.